Friends, if you want to remove TikTok link from your YouTube channel bio, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how TikTok link from YouTube channel bio. First of all, you have to open your YouTube Studio and tap on the top right profile icon. After that, click on the pencil icon. After clicking here, you have to click on the links below. After that, you have to click on TikTok and click on the pencil icon in front of it. Here you will see the remove button, you have to click on it. After that, you have to click on remove again. In this way, you can remove the link of your TikTok from your YouTube channel bio. If you liked this video, then subscribe the channel and like the video. See you in new interesting video. Thanks for watching video.